What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about this Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. I personally believe Ulefone is one of the top 2 brands when it comes to rugged phones and tablets. And when I have noticed that Ulefone has released Ulefone Armor 25T Pro, I didn't hesitate for a split of a second to order one. As I have already used this phone for a month now, I think it's the correct time to share my honest opinion with you. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Yeah, Ulefone Armor 25T Pro's 64 megapixel night vision camera is a standout feature for low light and infrared photography. Equipped with the OV64B1B CMOS sensor and a bright 1.79 aperture, it excels in capturing clear and detailed images even in total darkness. The integration of the advanced Night ELF Ultra 3.0 algorithm enhances its capability to produce sharp and vibrant photos by optimizing light capture and image processing. This powerful combination makes the Armor 25T Pro ideal for nighttime exploration and professional applications requiring precise and reliable night vision performance. Moreover, Ulefone Armor 25T Pro's ThermoVue performance is truly impressive. Equipped with a cutting-edge thermal sensor, this device excels in detecting temperature variations with remarkable clarity and precision. The ThermoVue technology allows users to visualize heat patterns up to 160 by 120 resolution, and more importantly, it can deliver real-time thermal imaging with a smooth refresh rate, ensuring that we can capture detailed thermal video without lag. This feature is especially useful for identifying hotspots, diagnosing mechanical issues, or even enhancing safety in low visibility conditions. The integration of this advanced thermal technology into a rugged phone like the Armor 25T Pro makes it a versatile tool for both professional and adventurous applications. Armor 25T Pro features a versatile camera setup. Equipped with a main 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor, Armor 25T Pro delivers images with stunning detail and clarity. This sensor captures vibrant colors and sharp contrasts, making every photo look extraordinary. When it comes to portraits, Armor 25T Pro performs well. It delivers high-quality portraits with beautiful bokeh effect by accurately blurring the background while keeping the subject in perfect focus. This produces flagship-class portrait shots that highlight the subject's features with stunning precision. With its Samsung ISOCELL GN1 50 megapixel sensor, Ulefone captures high-definition videos with remarkable clarity and vibrant color reproduction. This sensor excels in recording detailed and sharp footage. Furthermore, the Armor 25T Pro's video stabilization technology ensures smooth and steady footage, minimizing shakes and blurs. This is particularly valuable when recording on the move or in rugged conditions where a stable hand is hard to maintain. Well, now let's talk about the design of the Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. This phone is undeniably rugged. With reinforced metal side rails and heavy-duty rear panel, Ulefone is definitely one of the most sturdy rugged phones available on the market. It is clear this is a device built for durability, not daintiness. The Kevlar textured back not only adds to its tough aesthetic but also improves grip, making it a practical choice for those always on the go. I love that rear camera block. It is unique and extraordinarily good looking. At a glance, Ulefone Armor 25T Pro doesn't look like a rugged smartphone. Rather, it looks like a typical flagship smartphone because it has flagship class build quality along with gorgeous outlook and appearance. Well, when it comes to durability, Armor 25T Pro, like its siblings, is one of the best. It boasts an IP68 IP69K rating, meaning it's both dustproof and waterproof. It can handle depths of up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. And that's not all. It's military standard 810H certified, so it's built to endure drops, shocks, and extreme temperatures. So yeah, it is a very good choice for people working in challenging environments. Or okay, if you're clumsy like me, if you drop your phone or bump your phone into some hard objects once in a while, then well, you should check this Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. Oh, we have just started. There are a lot to talk about this Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. Armor 25T Pro features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. It's bright and colorful. It's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which adds 4 times more durability, and on top of that, Ulefone has added fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating. It supports 120Hz refresh rate, so everything from scrolling to gaming feels smooth and responsive. Natural color reproduction, deep black, bright white, Ulefone has definitely well calibrated the display panel. I am enjoying the performance of this display panel. It is a rugged smartphone, so definitely it's not a phone for hardcore gamers. But when it comes to gaming, Armor 25T Pro is a solid performer. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor and backed by up to 12GB of RAM, it handles games with ease. The graphics performance is also very respectable. It offers a very smooth experience even in demanding games. Tia has played some graphics intensive games and she has enjoyed the gaming sessions. And you know what? The phone doesn't even generate any type of heat, so there is no thermal throttling. One of the standout features of the Armor 25T Pro is its battery life. Even if it is one of the slimmest rugged phones, it is equipped with a massive 6500 mAh battery. This battery pack is ready to keep the phone powered through the days. We have managed to put the phone into standby mode for around 20 days. Yeah, finally we have tested the standby time by ourselves. And when we have used it heavily, we have managed to extract around 3 days of battery life. When it's time to recharge, Ulefone Armor 25T Pro supports 33W fast charging and 30W wireless charging. 30W wireless charging is even better than many flagship phones. So yeah, Ulefone 25T Pro offers a longer battery life and takes shorter time to get refueled. Well, there are 2 other things I need to mention. Ulefone Armor 25T Pro runs on Android 14 out of the box. The other thing I need to mention is Ulefone Armor 25T Pro comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and it also supports face unlocking option. Both are blazing fast, both works without any issue. It's a very easy to register a fingerprint or enroll a face, and once a fingerprint is registered or a face is enrolled, the phone gets unlocked within a split of a second. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. I have left a link of this Ulefone Armor 25T Pro in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product, but before that, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.